Hello, welcome to another SYSPRO Quick Tip. My name is Jeremy Wright, Senior Consultant at Umbrella Consulting, and in this video I'm going to show you some awesome things you can do with your favorites menu to make it look the way you want. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in a few favorites, which to do so, you just go to the program in your program list and drag them over until you see that little black line there, and then you can drop them. And I'm just going to put 3 in there just to move this along. And sales order query. 3 common ones. You see, by default, they're just kind of a boring green, unless you love that color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the beginning and I'm going to change the background color. And to do that, you just right click anywhere in the white space. You can go to your layout, appearance, and then you can just kind of move your mouse over these and you get all kinds of fancy colors. And the one that I like the best is the dark, because it's the programmer in me. Next thing that we can do is we can change the icons here. So right click them and we have the properties, so you can change the title. Maybe inventory query isn't enough. I can go stock code thing, and it'll change it, but it'll still leave the inventory query. It just makes it a name that means something to you. Other things that we can do here, we can do a tooltip. So there's a default tooltip. I'm going to put one. Again, it could be something that means a little bit more to you, and that comes up when you hover over view codes. I can also change the appearance here. So if I go to the appearance tab, I can change the icon if I wanted to, maybe a cool speaker. I can go and change the style so that it's got, it's kind of covering it there a little bit, but you can see how there's a little white icon that's changing on it. My favorite is the no theme, because then it's just an icon and the name. I think that looks really neat and tidy. On this one here, I can go do the same thing. Maybe I want to give it a different picture. I can give it this one. See how they start to look really nice. Do it one more time here. There, that's a nice looking favorites menu. If I wanted to add categories, I can go again, right click, new category, and then maybe this is query stuff, center, and then I can put these under my query stuff category. And something else random from over here, I can put under the favorites. So you can see now that you've got categories. So if you're not working on my invoice number query, I can look at my query stuff. Or if I have a bomb section or a sales order section, I can put those favorites where they're more meaningful. And then a couple other things here. Under the layout again, I can change the width of all the items at once. So if I want them really big, or maybe I want them only to be two per row, or 3, I can do that like that. I can also change the margins between them so that they've got a lot of margin. I like to have the margin off. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So enjoy working with your favorites, and thanks for watching.